Human heart is a remarkable organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. Here's a breakdown of its structure and function. Structure. Chambers. The heart has 4 chambers. 1. Right atrium. Receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. 2. Right ventricle. Pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. 3. Left atrium. Receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. 4. Left ventricle. Pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body through the aorta. Valves. The heart has 4 valves that ensure blood flows in the correct direction. 1. Tricuspid valve, between the right atrium and right ventricle. 2. Pulmonary valve, between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. 3. Mitral valve, between the left atrium and left ventricle. 4. Aortic valve, between the left ventricle and the aorta. Walls. The heart wall consists of 3 layers. 1. Endocardium, the inner lining of the heart chambers. 2. Myocardium, the thick, muscular middle layer responsible for the heart's contraction. 3. Epicardium, the outer layer, also known as the visceral layer of the pericardium. Pericardium, a protective sac surrounding the heart, providing a lubricated environment that reduces friction as the heart beats. Function. The heart operates as a pump in 2 main phases. 1. Diastole. The heart muscle relaxes, allowing the chambers to fill with blood. 2. Systole. The heart muscle contracts, pumping blood out of the chambers. Circulatory pathways. 1. Pulmonary circulation. Carries deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation and returns oxygenated blood to the left side of the heart. 2. Systemic circulation. Carries oxygenated blood from the left side of the heart to the rest of the body and returns deoxygenated blood to the right side of the heart. The heart's rhythm is regulated by electrical impulses, starting from the sinoatrial (SAW) node, the heart's natural pacemaker, and traveling through the atrioventricular (AV) node and the bundle of His to the Purkinje fibers, coordinating contractions and ensuring efficient blood flow. Electrical conduction system. The heart's ability to pump blood is regulated by an electrical conduction system that ensures coordinated contractions. Key components include 1. Sinoatrial (SAW) node. Often called the heart's natural pacemaker, it is located in the right atrium. 1. It generates electrical impulses that initiate each heartbeat. 2. Atrioventricular (AV) node. Located at the junction between the atria and ventricles, this node delays the electrical impulse, allowing the atria to fully contract and fill the ventricles with blood before the ventricles contract. 3. Bundle of His. A bundle of specialized heart muscle fibers that transmits impulses from the AV node to the ventricles. 4. Right and left bundle branches. These branches carry the impulse through the right and left ventricles. 5. Purkinje fibers. Network of fibers that distribute the impulse throughout the ventricles, causing them to contract in a coordinated manner. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle encompasses all the events that occur during one heartbeat, including 1. Atrial systole. The atria contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. 2. Ventricular systole. The ventricles contract, pumping blood into the pulmonary artery and aorta. 3. Diastole. The heart muscle relaxes, allowing the chambers to fill with blood. This cycle ensures that blood is effectively moved through the heart and to the rest of the body. Blood supply to the heart. The heart itself requires a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood to function properly, which it receives through the coronary arteries. 1. Right coronary artery, RCA, supplies the right side of the heart, including the right atrium and right ventricle, and parts of the left ventricle and the heart's electrical conduction system. 2. Left coronary artery, LCA, divides into 2 main branches. Left anterior descending, LAD, artery, supplies the front part of the left side of the heart. Left circumflex, LCX, artery, supplies the side and back parts of the left side of the heart. Cardiac output and regulation. 1. Cardiac output, CO, the amount of blood the heart pumps per minute, calculated as the product of stroke volume, the amount of blood pumped per beat, and heart rate, the number of beats per minute. 2. Heart rate. controlled by the autonomic nervous system, which adjusts the heart rate in response to various physiological conditions such as stress, exercise, and rest. Common heart conditions. 1. Coronary artery disease, CAD, caused by the buildup of plaque in the coronary arteries, leading to reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. 2. Heart attack, myocardial infarction, occurs when blood flow to a part of the heart muscle is blocked for a long enough period, causing damage. 3. Heart failure, a condition where the heart is unable to pump effectively, leading to fluid buildup in the lungs and other parts of the body. 4. Arrhythmias, abnormal heart rhythms that can affect the heart's ability to pump blood effectively. Heart health and lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy heart involves lifestyle choices such as 1. Regular exercise, helps strengthen the heart muscle and improve circulation. 2. Balanced diet, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support heart health. 3. Avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol, both can negatively impact heart health. 4. Managing stress, chronic stress can affect heart health, so stress management techniques are beneficial.